2-hour job. Dirt bike. Fucking yeah, dude.
Yo voy a cantar esta canción para mi gente. Con una pasión tan fuerte. Ay, 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 ay. Ahora sigo cantando y sigo gozando. Yo sigo cantando y sigo gozando.
Yeah, I don't like this balloon. Yeah,
the ones that balloon out. And these aren't even that bad.
That's it. Like,
those aren't bad. The grits that are
wait, have you ridden that thing?
Everybody's drinking beer. Everyone's like, who the fuck's
No,
this?
he may have like skated around the parking lot a couple times.
Have you ridden that thing?
No.
Do you know how to ride a clutch bike? Yeah, you do.
I do know how to ride a
Go
clutch.
zip around, dog.
Dude, go fucking bump start it.
I'm chilling.
Dude,
I'm chilling.
I'm
we gotta
not
get
gonna
some
lie,
content.
It's been a long time since I...
There you go, girl. There you go.
You got stuff in there.
Oh, girl, what are you doing? She's like, God, that was stressful.
Fucking headache.
The meatballiest.
Damn it. I think I
What
lost
is
this.
it?
A tiny little gold screw for this. One of these. I might have an extra switch we can all the screw off of. That really sucks. I'm gonna find it.
When my pipe gets here, I'll
There
do a
it is.
rolling burnout all the way down.
Were you like
Whoa,
staring
is that
at
a
it?
fucking camera?
No, I was.
Were you staring at it with the camera?
Is that
though?
the
No.
name of a gimbal?
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah, it's all gimbal
I'm fine with
now,
it.
brother.
You can see a screen or what?
yeah, there's a screen. I can see what it
That's what I
sees.
make all my videos off of.
Are you serious?
Yeah. That thing also, once I'm ready to rip, Courtney's gonna hang off the back of the bike and use that to record everything.
Neato.
It's sick.
Oh, that'll be perfect.
With that gimbal. Those chicks that
Wait, I
I
did a
went
wheelie
riding
right
with.
next to you after the gas station over there, right?
Yeah. I almost had my camera out for it too.
Oh, it
It was
moves.
little, but it.
Dude,
You know.
it
Dude,
passed
it
the
moves so
fucking-
nice.
Yo, that is...
Those chicks that I was riding with,
is so
Josh
cool.
the other day, that make commercials for like Modelo and
Will it look
Harley
up
and
or is
shit.
it looking down right
they
now?
use the same fucking camera.
Oh, yeah, it pivots up.
Well, you're probably on FPV, so it'll follow your movements. You can definitely
yeah,
do
that's what I
different
mean.
things,
It
yeah.
fucking...
It's got like different modes for it and shit.
It just like slows your movement. It's amazing.
It's really steady.
2-hour job.
Good girl.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Yeah, so he's like
Just stops breathing and looks at the camera just now.
I'll be the star of this channel.
This is the funniest dog. I love it.
Dude,
I almost brought Lyle
Come here.
with me. I feel like they'd party.
Her and Riley
Come
go
here.
hard, so yeah, I think Riley.
For some reason, it seems like large.
These are ones from my old throttle.
These are good to have. These are like problem solvers. When you start doing stupid shit.
Come here.
This is just the one from my old throttle, and this is the new stuff.
Jason.
Come.
I got this.
Come
You
here.
gotta like,
Come on,
you
Pixie.
gotta ride around.
Oh no! Go get him! Go get him! Go get him! Go get him!
Go get him.
Go get him!
Team effort.
Go.
Team effort.
Come on, Pixie. Let's go. Let's go. Go get him.
Oh my god! She hit her hip on the drift and
Spun out.
come on.
Come here, Pixie.
Pixie! Come here!
Oh,
So tired. She doesn't want to do that anymore.
he's like, no. Come on. Ryan, just run out in front of her.
She's done.
Stop organized. It's not my garage.
It looks
fuck is
like
that?
He
Zach's
knows where
garage.
they're
That's
at
crazy.
when he goes
That's
to
awesome.
get
I'm
them.
impressed.
This
I learned a
was
lot.
a switch panel I made for this exact thing, but it didn't work on my bike, so I made a second one for my bike.
Oh, okay, okay.
So it was like ready to go.
Ah.
Pretty much ready to go. You're kind of stressing me out, honestly.
Show me your penis.
They just slam on their
That's
brakes.
like, I don't think you were here yet earlier, but oh, you were. It was like, show me your butthole.
Dump him! Show me your butthole! I was like,
Oh, don't drive
That
past that
escalated
again.
very quickly.
Well, you drive past my fucking house, you're gonna get heckled.
Well, yeah, don't scream past the house.
It's like a truck with girls in the back of it. Like, why are you even driving down the road right now? They're like,
Yeah, Tacoma
what were
went down
they
with like
knocking,
girls
like
in the
some
back
stupid ass
of their
music?
truck, and they're like mobbing. And he's like, "Dump him! Show me your butthole!"
No, I said show me your butthole.
I'm
guys.
sorry,
You're
I'm
giving
sorry.
comedic credit to someone else.
Jesus Christ!
Courtney knows I'm always attempting humor, even if it's at her expense.
Welcome to my life.
She's like, "What did you say to those girls?"
So, what does that mean?
So we definitely are having a fight later. Fuck.
Wrong size.
I'm going inside.
Get the fuck out of my yard.
Edit my own
Great.
videos. Put some stickers. This isn't the right size either. There's just birds that come out of the trees. A shitload too.
I've got
I
a
have a
bunch of
shitload of
apples.
my
If you don't have enough, I have extra.
I've got like this much of a freezer bag.
I have
Good lord. Ryan just
She's
starts
fucking cool as
sweating.
fuck, dude. She's
He's
got a
just
full
like this,
sleeve of
just
fucking
gritting his teeth
Nintendo
and-
and
Yeah.
like,
See, we're fucking good, boys.
Honestly,
Are you
like,
about to fucking hot rod it right now?
I'm not even kidding. That was the first
Right.
thing.
Dude, the first time I saw that movie, I was so
I
hopeful.
fucking love that
so
movie,
hopeful. Every jump. And every jump he fails. And it's just,
What
I
movie
was
is
like,
that?
Hot Rod.
Hot Rod. He's writing that, and he's like a
Who wants
daredevil.
to see a big ass stunt? You've never seen that?
Are you serious?
Oh shit.
Oh my
Oh
god,
my
what's his
God,
name?
dude.
What's his
I'm
name?
letting myself in.
Adam Sandberg.
Andy Sandberg.
Andy Sandberg.
Um,
The fucking matters, Jeremy.
Yes. sorry.
Letters matter.
what was I gonna
Dude,
say?
that
I
is
found a.
The best movie.
I think someone posted it in the group
Pronunciation.
chat. There was like a group ride on
Oh
all
yes,
nights.
they're going from Grass Valley to
Yeah.
Reno.
And
That was
we
the one ourselves.
need our little boy Ryan to go.
I will
represent.
make friends with the crew.
Yeah.
And you know
You
how I'm
gotta
gonna get
go.
it there? That sweet little fucking kid.
Dude, if you go, I'll fucking buy a little 90 and go. That
Dude,
sounds fun as
carry
shit.
your bike easy to find, dude.
Hey,
Like,
if you-
I'll just
if your
ride
bike-
my
if
Harley
this
and
breaks
just,
down,
like,
just put that on
make
top
them
of
all
your BMX.
split out of my way. Like, move, fucking move. Behind him with a horn, like.
Whoever wants to come with me.
Dude, I'm down to ride. We'll
You
get
get the goggles on the back, no fucking helmet.
The what?
There it is.
We got a plan. We got a plan.
I can't
Oh,
wait
seriously.
for all of our bikes to be tits.
We
and-
really.
Yeah, me too. I can't wait.
Oh my
There
God.
it is. One
All
thing
of our
at a
bikes are
time,
gonna be
okay?
fucking
bud?
amazing. All of our bikes are gonna be sick, and we're gonna have some fucking content.
There's gonna be. Send it.
Right, boys, huh?
Now we got Scooter's wire work. See if it's going.
What's up? Wire chop done, dude. Oh,
some dirt right here and it went.
Yeah, he fucking slid. I don't. Well, maybe he saw it with his bright ass LEDs. He probably saw
Oh,
it.
those are nice as fuck.
Yeah, dude, I'm jealous. I really
Those are
wanted
nice
those on
as
mine, and then as soon as he said he was buying, I'm like, well, that kills that idea for me.
Yeah.
He just like wired all that shit up.
Dude, he fucking.
Yeah. Well, it's the second one I did. If I was
chopped his
learning how to do
entire
it,
Harness, like everything.
yeah. He has a like a
And then
7-Eleven
his stop
bag of
button,
wires
He's got a
left.
headlight switch. And
Fucking yeah, dude. Did you pick up your front end over there?
yeah.
Fucking wild, dude. Thing fucking rips, bro.
That is fucking sick.
Dude, you did pick up the front. That's so rad.
Yo, it fucking got a little squirrely down here when I turned around too. I like drifted a half a turn.
Yeah, all this dust and shit everywhere. Neighbors are coming home. It's like, hey, I'll just come home in an hour. He's gonna do it. Yeah!
Yeah.
Fucking held it, dude.
Fuck off, Jeremy. Get off my butt.
Man, this thing's fucking tight.
He's like, oh shit.
It's a little squirrely.
Dude, that hill right there is probably terrifying. So I'm gonna need somebody to follow me home so I can drop this
I got
truck
you.
off.
I got you.
Right on.
The 90.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nuts to butts on the way back, dude. I got front.
Tried to get the front up. It's kind of weird, like
I
this.
came up for a second.
Yeah, yeah,
I pulled it up for a second too, not even trying.
yeah. You fucking took this corner and then went over there and hit sand.
And I drifted.
That's fucking
Yes.
cool.
Finally came together, dude. I've got a couple more parts that'll make
lost
a
his
choice
hat.
too. Like
Probably.
tank and fucking tank and carb and some other shit. It's gonna
Turning
be
and
smooth.
shit, it feels
Well,
fucking
dude,
wild.
once you move it a little bit, it's
Yeah,
like,
you're like,
I'm actually like, okay, just figure it out. Like I turned around in the road and was like,
It gets it. It gets it. It's
all I gotta say is it's probably like
sketchy at first.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's kind
super
of weird as
weird.
fuck,
It's
dude.
fucking
And then you
super
turn and
the
make it like
geometry of that bike is not right. Fucking
yeah, like
I'm gonna go by the skate house and then drop this bike off.
yeah, on the left side. We're like, nope.
Exhaust is hot. Your tank too. Tank's already bended.
No, it like lifted up. When I went through.
That was
Oh,
my
that
shoulder.
bolt
That was
came out.
all shoulder.
I know.
Well, that's why I lifted.
It didn't have a nut, so it just fucking.
It was gonna come out anyway.
Your hat's
Dude,
in a
that
minute.
Yeah, last time you rode this, it was not even half as sketchy.
Yeah, this
and,
is.
and you crashed it. And then you jumped back.
Yeah, this is.
I'm like, yeah,
insanely
fucking get back on it,
crazy,
dude.
Are you sure
It's
I've
fucking
got enough
sick as
oil in here,
fuck,
dude?
dude.
It's hot
It
as
is
fuck.
sick. It is super.
Yes, I'm sure you have oil.
I'm just
Enough.
saying. It's hot as fuck
We
right now.
put too much.
Yes,
oil
too
in
much
last
oil.
time.
No, you put 2 quarts in it.
There's too much oil. I'm serious right now.
Okay.
It's okay though.
A hot bike, dude.
No, it doesn't twist.
You run
It's a
hot.
plug.
Really?
Yeah.
It's not one of, oh yeah, oh shit.
What do you think, Pixie? Did I put a new dent in it when I dropped
I
it?
don't know, did you? It didn't hit the tank. It didn't hit
No,
the.
he just lifted the tank and the tank came
My
up and he's like,
shoulder-
oh, let
my
me get a
shoulder
zip
took
tie.
it. There was a moment where I'm like, yep, it's going. I'm nope, nope. What I was trying to do.
cup.